So do you want to create amazing coloring books for kids and sell them online to earn handsome amount of money? And what if I told you you can create those coloring books with the help of an AI tool for absolutely free? So yeah, we have a new AI tool in town named as ColoringBook.AI, in which either you can go ahead and create coloring books with the help of textual prompts or any of your images, compile those together and sell them online for great amount of money. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright guys, so here we have the tool named as ColoringBook.AI, which is going to help you to create amazing kids animated coloring books without paying any money, right? So first of all, we're going to click on this start free now, and from here it's going to give you two options, whether you can create coloring pages with the help of textual prompts or you can do with the help of image generation. So first of all, we're going to try this text to coloring pages. So for that, I'm going to write my simple prompt that create me a coloring image of a boy playing in a garden, and for the difficulty levels, we can select toddlers, children, teenagers, or adults. So I'm going to select toddler, and dimension would be 3:2 landscape, and the number of generation would be 2. So from here, you can select more options such as private, high print quality, or remove watermark. But obviously, that's going to require the subscription, right? So speaking of the subscription, the pricing for this AI tool is very economical. Once again, you can start for at least $9.99 per month, which is quite reasonable if you are willing to start your own coloring book business, you guys, right? All right, so these are the generation that I created with the help of my prompt. So this is a coloring image of a boy playing in a garden, and by the first look of these generation, these look really good, but the only problem is we don't see any background, right? So obviously you can go ahead and generate if you include that in your prompt, but still the output won't be that accurate. So if you want to go ahead and create some accurate outputs, for that you're going to use this image to coloring pages option. So over here you need to upload your image first of all, right? So from here I'm going to go ahead and take these images that I created before with Krea AI. So these are some 3D animated images of some cartoon character, right? So this will be quite good for my coloring pages. So first of all, for sample, I'm going to go ahead and take this thumbnail that I created earlier of 3D nursery rhyme. So I'm going to go ahead and upload in my ColoringBook.AI. All right, so after that, we're going to go ahead and enable this option, preserve faces, right? So that's going to help us to preserve faces in our coloring images and provide accurate results. So I'm going to enable that. And the generation would be number of 2. And then we're going to go ahead and simply straight away generate this, right? All right, so here is our output, you guys. So take a look at this. This look absolutely perfect. So this was our initial image, and with the help of that, it created this coloring page design output. So from here, you can easily go ahead and color according to your likeness. So this is perfect for toddlers if they are willing to invest on coloring pages. So you can easily create with the help of this amazing free AI tool. So from here, what I will do, I'm going to go ahead and take this series of images that I created with Krea AI. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it one by one. All right, so here is my first image, and from here I'm going to simply make sure that this option is enabled once again, generated. So simply from here I'm going to go ahead and do for the rest of the images as well, you guys, right? All right, so our outputs are being generated, and just for the reference, these were all of the images that I input in ColoringBook.AI. So these were the series of images of some point that I created with Krea. All right, so these are all our inputs. So from here I'm going to go ahead and show you the images that I created with coloring books. So this is my first one. Then we have this second one of a bunny. Then the third one, we have some squirrels. So yeah, all of these images you guys can see are looking absolutely perfect. And you can compile all of these together, print it out, create a coloring book out of that, and just sell those books in any of your website or for your online businesses, you guys, right? So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of a very amazing tool named as ColoringBook.AI, in which you can go ahead and create coloring books without paying any money and just boom your business in no time. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.